this video on Nutrition in Plants Part 1 by SC Erudition. In this video, we are going to discuss about food, nutrients, balanced diet, and rich source of different nutrients. So first of all, what is food? Why is it so necessary? See, we all take breakfast, we all take lunch, evening snacks, and dinner. So have you ever wondered that why it is so necessary to take food every day? Because my friends, food is a substance that may be of plant origin or animal origin that we take because it provides us nutritional support. And not only nutritional support, it also provides us energy to carry out different work throughout the day. Like throughout the day, we do so many work. We come up to school, we study, we play, we talk, we do so many things. We get back to home, there again we play, we do our homework. There are so many things we do throughout the day. So food provides us nutritional support and energy to carry out these functions. So that's why food is very important. Now, food serves as a rich source of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, which are very essential for proper growth, physical, and mental development of a body. These carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals together are called nutrients. So they are very essential. It's very essential to take these nutrients in adequate amount in our food because they help in proper growth, physical, and mental development of a body. Now, when we take a food, it's not always a single food. Like, for example, we take lunch. Lunch is not about taking only one kind of food. It's a gathering of so many things. There is lunch, in lunch there is rice, there is chapati, curry, pulses, salad. So there are so many things together. So that can be called as a sum of food. So that sum of food that we eat is called a diet. Now, when this diet provides all essential nutrients that are required by the body to function properly in adequate amount, it's called a balanced diet. Now, you may wonder that carbohydrate is also a nutrient, protein is also a nutrient, so we can take protein for entire day. So then also we are taking nutrients, right? But this isn't true. Nutrients, a balanced diet is all nutrients should be provided to the body in adequate amount. That means the food habit that you have for the entire day should involve adequate supply of carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So then only that diet will be called a balanced diet. Now, let's talk about some rich source of different nutrients. Now, let's revise what are the different nutrients present in food. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. So, in this segment, we will talk about different food items that are rich in different nutrients. So, first of all, we will talk about carbohydrates. Now, before we get into the food items rich in these nutrients, we should know that why are these nutrients essential for the body. So first we will talk about why carbohydrate is essential for body. Now see, all food items that are rich in sugar, starch, fiber are rich in carbohydrates. Now what is the use of taking carbohydrates in food is it provides energy to the body. So we are doing so many functions throughout the day. So we need energy for that, right? So that energy is provided by carbohydrates. That's why carbohydrates is necessary in food. Now let's talk about some food items that are rich in carbohydrates. They are wheat, rice, maize, cereals, potatoes, chickpeas, papaya, banana, kidney beans, mango, milk products, apple, pears, pineapple. So these are some food that are rich in carbohydrates. Now, let's talk about the second type of nutrient, which is protein. Now let's see why protein is important for the body. Protein is important because it helps in building and repairing of tissues, bones, muscles, cartilage, skin, and blood. Not only this, it also helps in making enzymes, hormones, and other chemicals present in the body. So we can see that carbohydrates is providing just the energy to carry out different functions throughout the day. But the internal maintenance of the body is done by proteins. It's helping in building and repairing of tissues, bones, muscles, cartilage, skin and blood, as well as it helps in making enzymes, hormones and other chemicals present in body. So now let's talk about some food items that are rich in proteins. So they are milk and other milk products like cheese, yogurt, seafood, meat or chicken, egg, beans, seeds and lentils. Now, let's talk about third kind of nutrient, which is fats. Now, fats are important because they provide energy. Now, you may wonder that fats are also providing energy, carbohydrates are also providing energy. So, why is it necessary to take both of them? Because fats serves as a backup source of energy. Now, you are doing different functions throughout the day. So, there may be a chance that the body faces scarcity of carbohydrates, right? So at that moment, fats serve as a backup source of energy, and that's why fats are equally important in the body to carbohydrates. It also absorbs essential nutrients from the food that we intake, and it also maintains appropriate core body temperature. So these are some of the functions that fats perform, and that's why it is essential to take fats in our balanced diet. Now let's talk about some food that are rich in fats. Let's see. Milk and other milk products like cheese and yogurt, seafood, meat, fish, chicken, egg. So these are some kind of food items that are rich in fats. Now my friends, there are some other food items that provides fats. They are like oil, which can be a coconut oil, it can also be palm oil, canola oil, olive oil, as well as nuts and olives. So these are some kind of food that are rich in fats and provides fats to the body. Now, fats can be categorized in three different categories. The first is unsaturated fats, which is also called good fats. And the second and third are saturated fats and trans fats, which are called the bad fats. Now, plant foods or walnuts, avocados, fish, they all have unsaturated fat, which is good for heart health. So that means the fat that we get from plant foods, walnuts, avocados, fish, so these are like they are good for health. But the fats that is present in processed meats like sausages or skin on chicken, etc., contain saturated fats, which is bad for health. So the fat that is provided by plant products, walnuts, oils, fish, they are all good for health and they are unsaturated fat. So that is not at all harmful to the body. But the fats that is present in processed meats like sausages, skin on chicken, as well as the junk food, donuts, cake, puddings, they are all bad fats and they are not at all good for health. So this processed meat like sausages, skin on chicken, they contain saturated fat, and the junk food, donuts, cake, puddings, they all contain trans fat. So these two, the saturated fat and the trans fat, are very harmful to the body. So we should try avoiding these kind of foods and better switch on to the plant products like walnuts, avocados, fish, and these kind of things. They are also providing you fats, but they are you good for your health. Now, let's talk about vitamins and minerals. See, vitamins and minerals are very important for the body. They are important because they heal the wounds, they boost the immune system, they convert food into energy, and they repair the cellular damages. So that means they play a vital role in the body, just like proteins. Proteins helps in the internal maintenance of the body. Similarly, the vitamins and minerals also do several internal maintenance of the body, like they heal the wounds, they boost the immune system, they repair the cellular damages, so they are equally important to other nutrients. Now, these vitamins can be categorized into different categories. So let's see what are they. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. So these are some of the vitamins. So vitamins can further be categorized into these vitamins, whereas iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium, etc. These are some common minerals. So now let's talk about the different vitamins and the different foods that are containing that provides you different vitamins. So first of all, we will talk about vitamin A. Butter, egg, spinach, carrot, broccoli, milk, papaya, mango. These are some of the food that are rich in vitamin A. Now, why vitamin A is so necessary? What will happen if there is a deficiency of vitamin A? So deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. That means that during night you won't be having a proper vision. You won't be able to see things clearly. So that means vitamin A is necessary for your sight, for your vision. So butter, egg, spinach, carrot, broccoli, milk, papaya, mango. These are some of the food that provides you vitamin A in adequate amount. Now let's talk about vitamin B. Liver, beans, fish, meat, dairy products, green leafy vegetables. These are some of the foods that are rich in vitamin B. Now, what will happen in case of deficiency? Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. Now, what is beriberi? It's an impairment of the nerves and heart. That means vitamin B is also important, and in deficiency of vitamin B, we may have impairment of the nerves and heart, which is called beriberi. Now, let's talk about some food that are rich in vitamin C. See, vitamin C is present in all citrus fruits. So, what are citrus fruits? All fruits that are sour in taste are citrus fruits. For example, tomato, lemon, orange, amla. In addition to that, dark leafy green vegetables, bell peppers, and kiwi fruit. These are all food items that are rich in vitamin C. Now, what happens in deficiency of vitamin C? Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Scurvy means your gums may start bleeding. So there is no necessity that they may have to get hurt, but without any hurt or something, they will start bleeding. So that is called scurvy. Now, let's talk about some food items that are rich in vitamin D. Sunlight, milk, egg, fish. These are some of the milk, egg, fish are some kind of food items that provide you vitamin D, but sunlight is the natural source of vitamin D. So it's always prescribed, it is always advised that you should try to stay more in sun if it is possible, because it provides you vitamin D. So there is a chemical reaction inside the body when sun rays touch your skin. So that produces vitamin D, which is very essential for the body. Now let's see what happens in case of deficiency. Now deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, which is a kind of bone disorder. So vitamin D is again very important for body. Now let's talk about vitamin E. What is vitamin E? Why is it important? Because it is important because it has antioxidant properties that helps to prevent cholesterol, that helps to prevent cancer. So vitamin E is also important in food. So let's see some food items that are rich in vitamin E. They are sunflower seeds, almonds, spinach, sweet potato, and avocado. So these are some kind of food items that are rich in vitamin E. Now, deficiency of vitamin E causes nerve and muscle damage, weakened immune system. So it is very essential to take vitamin E in our daily diet. Vitamin K. The use of vitamin K is that it regulates normal blood clotting in case of injuries. Green leafy vegetables, broccolis, cauliflower, cabbage, fish, meat, eggs, and cereals are some kind of food that are rich in vitamin K. Now, deficiency of vitamin K causes heart disease, weakened bones, tooth decay, and cancer. Now, let's talk about some different minerals that are present in food, and it is necessary to take them in our daily diet. The first one is iodine. It is basically found in seafood such as fish, crab, salt, etc. And deficiency of iodine causes goiter. It's a kind of disease that is related to your throat. So in deficiency of iodine, that disease may prevail. Now the second one is phosphorus. It is found in meat, poultry, fish, nuts, beans, banana and dairy products. The third one is iron. It is found in apple, banana and spinach. Now deficiency of iron causes anemia. Calcium. It is useful for teeth and bones and it is found in egg, milk and broccoli. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe. We will be coming up with some more videos.